Hey guys, this is me Pyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram checkpoint required error on Instagram. So it's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in now. If you are getting this checkpoint required error, there are a couple different things that you can do and you will definitely get it fixed. The very first thing that we can do is we will just open up the Instagram app. Now once you are here, we will tap on the Instagram profile icon at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the very top right. Then we will tap on settings, the very first option, and then what we want to do is toward the bottom there you can see account. We'll tap on account, and then the very first one, personal information, we will tap on that. Now this will enter or pull up your personal information. The first thing that you need to do is, if it says that you need to verify either your phone number or your email address, go through those steps to verify those right now, because that checkpoint required might be just asking that you verify that email address. They will email you a code that you have to enter in and you can verify that. It actually is very email address. It actually your email address and phone number that you are using. So go through the steps so to verify those things here. Now the next thing that we will do is we will hop out of Instagram and we will open up our settings here, and we will scroll down until we get applications and permission. Tap on applications and permissions, then tap on app manager. Here scroll down and search for Instagram, then tap on Instagram. Here go to internal storage and offload it the app by clearing cache. Then go back and from here uninstall the app. We will reinstall it. This does not delete any of your information, your login, your DMS, your drafts, any of that, but it refreshes all of the app core files. And if there's glitch or a bug in the Instagram app that's causing this checkpoint require that offloading it and reinstalling it, it should get fixed. So this was the process by which you can fix Instagram checkpoint required error. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.